You know, I make a lot of different videos with do-it-yourself projects around the house and with my vehicle here. So one of the things that's very important to me is having a good LED light to illuminate the area that I'm going to be working in. So I ended up picking this one here up. I really like it. This one has 29,000 lumens and it has 154 LEDs inside there. So this thing can get pretty bright. You can use it on 4 different modes. It also has this flashing strobe light effect as well. Right here's the on and off button. You can charge it with your USB. You can use the square type or the USB-C. And the back here does come with magnets on it, which makes it really great when you're working on your vehicle. You just can snap it on where you need to work and it's going to stay in place. It does have this remote control that can work quite distance away. Just so you can see how far away this remote control works, this is maybe about 30 feet away. You can see it works very well. The other thing that it comes with is this lightweight tripod here, which actually has this very convenient bag that has a string that you can sling it right over your shoulder. This tripod can adjust up to 59.8 inches tall. And this is how it looks right here on the stand. You know, there's been plenty of times I've been working underneath the hood here. It's starting to get a little dark out and you just can't see that great. This light helps illuminate everything. A lot better, so you can finish your project. Now, you might be wondering how long a charge lasts. If you're using it on high, you can get up to 7 hours of work out of this. So that's a lot right there. If you're using it on the low mode, you can actually get up to 90 hours of light time. Another cool thing is in a pinch, this could actually work as a power bank for your phone. So if your phone's about to die and this is charged up, you can plug your phone into it and give your phone a little bit of a charge. The stand actually has this lever here where you can tilt the light if you're working on something down low, up high, and then when you want to keep it there, you can loosen or tighten it just by twisting the knob. Also comes with this little hook here that clips on just like that. So now you can actually use it and hang it just like this. I find that very convenient. Give you a little example of how well this can light up your work area. So if you work on vehicles, if you do it-yourself projects around the house or work on a construction site, any of those things, and you're looking for a work light, this one here I think works very well. It's got a lot of brightness. I like the stand that it comes on. The remote control is very handy. So I think this one is a big thumbs up.